Okay, here we go. Guys, listen to me. I love to help people, but I am insulted when you act like I'm a freaking idiot. You honestly really think that I'm a freaking fool? I try to help you. And if you don't want it, that's fine. But don't freaking play me. Okay, I'm not speaking to anyone in particular because there's a bunch of you freaking guys. Now, remember, I've done things to people in competition that embarrassed them. Don't make me have to embarrass you. When it comes to, I don't have anything to lose, man. I mean, I've lost it all. Yes, Rec Suits went under. Yes, I've been homeless. Yes, I'm divorced. Yes, I lost my family. And I'm not freaking going anywhere. I will help those people who want help. But those of you guys right now who are playing me, man, go to hell. Please. Because I will freaking embarrass you. Don't make me have to do it. All right, now when it comes to Rec Suits, you guys cannot afford Rec Suits. Try to get it done. A freaking top alone will cost you more than the freaking uniform that I charge for. You think I think I'm stupid? I know exactly. When you guys copied my freaking uniform, including companies like Macho, you can't even put pockets in the damn thing because the cost goes through the roof. The reason why no one's even been able to copy my freaking stuff because I made the fabric itself. I manufactured the damn thing. Idiots. That's the reason why. If you want to walk around with freaking faggot-looking uniforms with your ass all shiny, well, God bless you, it's on you. If you want to wear gloves that freaking you can't bend the damn thumb and throw a back fist or a technique and you throw a back fist to the body and you think you're a killer, that's on you. Leave me the hell alone. I would not be anywhere near you freaking guys. Leave me the hell alone. Those of you who want help, I'm here to help. Nobody shares more than me for free, and I'll continue. But the rest of you guys are trying to play me. What do you think you're freaking measly 70? I'm trying to hook you up, and your few bucks, you think I need that shit? I don't need it. I need to deal with real freaking people. And the rest of you guys who don't like this post, mind your freaking business. Enough. You have a nice freaking Christmas. Damn lowlifes.